Doug here. So I want to show the control panel all wired up for the power wheels I'm working on. So basically, give you a quick layout. This is a circuit breaker, 5 amp, that protects the logic circuits as well as the DC-DC converter, 24 volt to 5 volt regulated. This is the power switch, self-explanatory. This is the mode switch. This is the key, which I'll explain in a moment. Power light, mode light, and then you have duration and speed. So let me go ahead and turn her on here. You'll see a flash light that acknowledged it, and once it's ready to operate, both lights will come on. So you see it is powered up, and the green indicates that it is in mode 1. So I have a gas pedal hooked up, and I have a direction, as well as the motor. So if I hit the gas pedal here, you'll see the motor going forward. If I let go, it stops. You'll hear a click right before it starts, and I click when it stops. The scooter motors have brakes built in, but it's like a parking brake. It's not really an actual brake. So it waits for the motor to come to a complete stop before applying the brakes so the vehicle doesn't roll. When you hit the gas pedal, it releases the brake and allows the motor to speed up. And again, I can adjust how fast it goes and how quickly it gets there with these knobs. So if I want to change direction, I simply take this guy, so I can do this one-handed here, put it into reverse. The motor now goes in reverse. And again, I can slow it down, increase duration. So you may ask yourself, what's the mode button all about? Well, if I go change modes here, you notice it doesn't do anything. That's because right now it's ignoring the mode switch. You have to have the key, which is a 1/4-inch jack here. So I put that in. I'm not going to push it the whole way because I only have one hand, but you'll see the power light goes out, letting me know that I'm in programming mode or the key in. What this does, this allows me to change modes. So I can go to intermediate mode, which is yellow, or I can go to advanced mode, which is red. So basically, beginner mode, these knobs are disabled. If you put the key in, you can then set what the max speed you want to go in mode 1 and what the max duration you would like it to go to. Then once you pull the key out, those knobs will be ignored. You can spin them all you want and it stays at that fixed speed. Now if I go to intermediate mode here, in intermediate mode the knobs are functional, but I limit the top end speed as well as I limit how quickly you can disable it. This is basically just another safety thing, but if you're a little more of an advanced user, and then again, if I put the key in and I go down to advanced mode allows full position of both pots. It allows you to do burnouts, drifts, all that fun stuff. It allows full power to the motors at all times, which is a nice feature. Now, you may ask, what happens if you forget, turn the power wheels off, turn it back on, it automatically defaults back to mode 1. It's a safety feature. That way it makes sure that you indeed do want to go to advanced mode. A lot of safety features built in. Both the throttle switch and the direction switch are set up that if they lose a connection or wire goes away, the vehicle will stop. If the microcontroller driving the motor were to have a problem, lock up or freeze, the motor would stop. If any of the controls interface, the pots or the switches were to go bad, the motor would stop. So you can kind of see I have a trend going here. Anything can fail. The fail-safe is it stops the vehicle safely. There will be an 8-year-old driving this, so I want to make sure it is as safe as possible. But that is what I got going on. Oh, and one other thing. You put this guy into neutral, probably can't hear it, the relay clicks. It actually takes the brakes off, allowing you to roll the vehicle like you would an actual vehicle in neutral. And then once you put it in gear, it clicks the brakes back on to make sure the vehicle doesn't go anywhere, just like you would a real vehicle. So basically that's what I have going on so far. There is one little thing I'll be adding, which will be for a future video, and that are these little light whiskers here. These guys will go on the front and rear bumper, and this controller will detect if you get too close to something and will stop the motors automatically. Again, that'll come to a future video, but I just want to get you guys showing what I currently have going on, so I hope you enjoyed it.